Good morning, kindergarten. Today, you aren't going to see my face as we go through this lesson because there are a lot of different things on the screen to look at. Today, we are going to talk about making matches that might not be exactly the same. This is Module 1, Lesson 3. Let's get started. All right, go ahead and look at these different cups. What do you notice about them? You can share a couple things out loud that you notice. For example, I noticed that on this cup right here, there are red polka dots. On this cup, there are some cats. On this cup, I see stripes, and on this cup, I see stars. What are things that you all notice about these different cups? Could be about the shapes or the colors. There are so many things to look at. What do I notice? I notice that the stars on this cup are gold. Okay, so here's where things get interesting. We are going to have a stuffed animal tea party. Now, we're going to see a lot of different stuffed animals, and each stuffed animal has a plate. But it's our job to give them a cup that matches that plate. It doesn't have to be exactly the same, but it should match. Here, let's see. Here is our teddy bear, and here is his plate. And then I see 4 different cups from earlier. The cup with stripes, the cup with polka dots, the cup with stars, and the cup with cats. Which one of these cups matches this bear's plate? Go ahead, say it out loud. You're right, it's the cup that has cats on it. These cats are not exactly the same as this cat over here, but it still matches because that is a cup that also has cats on it. Let's see what our next animal has. This raccoon has a plate with stripes on it. Let's see what our cups look like. Okay, we have our cup with cats on it, our cup with stars on it, our cup with polka dots, and our cup with stripes. Which one do you think goes with this raccoon's plate? Think about it. Pause the video if you need to. Which cup would go with this plate? Yeah, you're right. The striped cup goes with the striped plate, even though they're not exactly the same. They still match because they both have stripes. All right, next we have a frog. I skipped a page. There we go. We have a frog, and he has a plate that has stars on it. Which of these cups is gonna go with our plate that has stars on it? Will it be our cup with cats, our cup with stars, our cup with polka dots, or our cup with stripes? Which one matches? Think about it. You can point to it. Let's see. Yeah, the cup with stars goes with the plate with stars. Even though they don't look exactly the same, it's still a match because they both have stars. Okay, last but not least, we have our bunny rabbit. Look at how cute it is. Our bunny rabbit has a plate that has polka dots on it, or spots. Which of these cups is gonna go with our plate with polka dots? You already kind of caught a sneak peek. But yeah, it's our cup that also has polka dots. Again, this cup is white with red polka dots. This plate is pink with white polka dots. But they still both have polka dots, so it is a match. Sometimes things match even if they're not exactly the same. Great job! Now we're going to move on to our problem set. Today's problem set is on page 5 and on page 6. So you have 2 pages to complete. Let's read the directions. It says, draw a line between the objects that have the same pattern. Talk with a neighbor about the objects that match. Because we're not at school, you're not going to talk with a neighbor, but you could talk to whoever is in the room with you, or if you need to, you could even talk to yourself. Which objects go together? I see that this hat has stripes on it. Is there something else on this page that also has stripes on it? Oh yeah, right here. These are different colors, but they're the same pattern. They both have stripes, so you can draw a line between the 2 of them. These pants have polka dots. Is there another item on this page that also has polka dots? Yeah, right here. This shirt has polka dots. Go ahead and draw a line for these to go together. Oh, this one's just like what we did today. I see a cup that has a blue stripe with a little squiggle in the middle, and it goes right with this plate that looks the same. You can do the last one by yourself. And on this page it says circle the object that would be used together with the object on the left. Let's do the first one. I see a basketball hoop. What's gonna go with a basketball hoop? A soccer or a basketball? I think I know this one. Yeah, it's a basketball, so go ahead and circle that object. I see over here a bowl. What goes with a bowl? Is it a spoon or a pencil? Think about it. Yeah, you're right. It's the spoon, so go ahead and circle it. Last but not least, I see a paintbrush. Does a paintbrush go with paint or with a toothbrush? Yeah, it goes with the paint. You would use a paintbrush to paint. Go ahead and circle that object. Great job, kindergarten. This was a long lesson, but you did an amazing job.